Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? Hope all of you are fine today. Welcome to the language class. Our today's topic is sentence. What's the topic? Sentence. In our previous class, we have already learnt about statement, question and request. Can you remember which is statement sentence? When we say something true or give a statement, this kind of sentence is called statement, like pizza is delicious, then ice is cold. This type of true sentence is called statement sentence. Now come to question. Question is very easy. When we ask anything to anyone, like if you make any question or any sentence like question is called a question sentence, like how are you? What is the class now? What is the time now? What are you doing now? This type of question is question sentence. Now come to request. Request means asking someone for something or for some help. When you ask anyone to give you something or any help, this kind of sentence is request, like please can you give me the pen? Then you can say can you close the door please? This type of request is called request sentence. Now today we will learn about simple sentence and compound sentence. What is simple sentence? Simple sentence is the most basic sentence in English. A simple sentence is also the shortest possible sentence. So we can say in overall that a simple sentence is exactly what it sounds like simple. Simple sentence means what it sounds like simple, like I am talking. This is a simple sentence. I am writing. This is a simple sentence. Whatever you say regular in your daily life is simple sentence, like I ate, I play, I ate dinner, the earth is a planet, earth has one moon, the game was interesting. Whatever we say every day in our simple life is called simple sentence. Like now I am taking your class, you are watching my video. This type of sentence is simple sentence. Now come to compound sentence. What is compound sentence? A compound sentence consists of two independent clauses joined together by a comma and a coordinating conjunction. Like when two independent sentences is joined together by a comma or conjunction is called compound sentence. Like look, Mary went shopping. Here Mary went shopping is an independent clause. And she bought a new dress is another independent clause. When these two independent clauses join together, it makes a compound sentence. Mary went shopping, then put a comma, and she bought a new dress. So here you can see that two sentences join together by a comma and a conjunction and they make a new sentence. This type of sentence is called compound sentence. Then come to another example. Jake wants to be a doctor. This is a sentence. He doesn't like to study. This is another sentence. When both of them will join together, it will make a compound sentence, like Jake wants to be a doctor but doesn't like to study. Is it easy or tough? Okay, now come to another example. It will be more easier to you. Look, you can buy it in the store. This is a sentence. You can buy it online. This is another sentence. When both of them will join together, we'll make a compound sentence, like you can buy it in the store or online. So what can we use to make a compound sentence? A comma, but, or, and. This type of conjunction make a compound sentence. So students, this is all for today. I have given some exercises on your lecture sheet. At first try to follow the lecture sheet and then solve the exercises. And if you can't, then I have also given the answers. Try to follow the lecture sheet. And if you face any problem, you can call your subject teachers also. Okay? This is all for today. Have a good day. Bye-bye.